Good morning, students. Now we are going to solve exercise C2 from our course book, page number 169. In this exercise, we have to join two simple sentences into one compound sentence. How to join two simple sentences into one compound sentence that we studied in the first video? We have to use coordinating conjunction to combine two sentences, and when we combine two simple sentences into one using coordinating conjunctions, then the sentence becomes compound sentence. So let's start our exercise C2. Join these simple sentences to make compound sentences. First sentence: Mr. Hastings needed a break. He accepted John Kennedy's invitation. Here two simple sentences are given. Mr. Hastings needed a break, and second, he accepted John Kennedy's invitation. Students, we have to join these two sentences into one to make it compound sentence. When we read this sentence, we can come to know that here there is relation of reason between both of them. So we can use coordinating conjunction so to combine them. So our sentence is: Mr. Hastings needed a break, so he accepted John Kennedy's invitation. We have combined two simple sentences into one using the coordinating conjunction. So our sentence is a compound sentence. Mr. Hastings needed a break, so he accepted John Kennedy's invitation. Now see the second sentence. Cynthia lived in Styles Court. She was a protege of Mrs. Inglethorpe. Here also two simple sentences. Cynthia lived in Styles Court. She was a protege of Mrs. Inglethorpe. Now we have to combine these two sentences. Here we use coordinating conjunction for, as it is the most appropriate. So our sentence is: Cynthia lived in Styles Court. For she was a protege of Mrs. Inglethorpe. Here we have combined two simple sentences using the coordinating conjunction for. So our sentence has become a compound sentence. Third sentence of exercise C2. Mr. Inglethorpe was 20 years her junior. He married Mrs. Cavendish. Here two simple sentences are given and we have to combine them to make a compound sentence. Here when we read, that time we can understand that there is an opposite outcome. So we have to use coordinating conjunction yet. So our sentence is: Mr. Inglethorpe was 20 years her junior. Was 20 years her junior. Yet he married Mrs. Cavendish. We have combined two simple sentences into one compound sentence. We have used coordinating conjunction yet, as these two simple sentences has a relation of contrast or sudden outcome. Next sentence: No one liked Alfred. They could not do anything to oust him. Here also two simple sentences and we have to make it one compound sentence. So how we can join? No one liked him. No one liked Alfred. No one liked Alfred, but they could not do anything to oust him. Or yet they could not do anything to oust him. Here we can use but also. No one liked Alfred, but they could not do anything to oust him. So here students, we have combined two simple sentences into one compound sentence. Now other three sentences we will solve in next video. Thank you students.